Hey, Grant here. This is a Brabantia Lift-O-Matic outdoor four-arm clothesline. You can't go wrong with these. Some people want to know, why would you use that? Well, one thing, your laundry will smell fresh and clean like summer air. But it has a different smell when it's clean, when it's dried out here in the outdoors. And also, it'll save you money in the long run. You're not using your dryer. Plus, in the summertime, your dryer makes your house a lot more heat. You're using more AC, so you save money on all that. But anyway, that's the reason we got ours. And let me show you some things about it here. Okay, when you get it, your Lift-O-Matic clothesline, this is what it comes as two pieces. But you don't have to put anything together. It'll become folded up like this in a bag. Now the way you put this in the ground, let me show you this. I'm gonna pull this up. What it is, they'll send you a second piece. It's a hollow pipe, but it's sharp on one end. You just drive it down into the ground, the way I have done there. And then you just set your clothesline in it, and there you have it. That's all there is to it. Very simple and easy to do. You don't even have to dig the hole. You just use a sledgehammer, pound it down into the ground. And then, to open it, all you do is you reach down here, grab this, pull up, and there you have it, ready to go. Four arms, you just stand here and hang your clothes and turn it. You only have to walk around to do it. And then when you're finished, this clip right here, clip it and take it down. It slides right on down. And there you have that. Also, we have a cover for it. So let me get this on, and you'll see what that looks like. And there you have it with the cover on. Keeps the weather from hitting it and wearing it out sooner than it needs to be. Sweet little deal. As you see here too, it's also a zipper. Just unzip it, take it off, put it back on, zip it back up. Easy peasy. So there you have it for the Lift-O-Matic four-arm outdoor clothesline. I hope this helps, and I hope to see you again.